what the fuck is bleeding from his asshole, fool? He's bleeding from the asshole.
Yeah, because when you get a heart attack, fool, you fucking shit and pee and fucking shit your guts out, homie. I thought you knew that.
He just died right now?
Fool, he was suffocating, fool, for 3 hours. Hey, you got a fucking cigarette?
I told you there was nothing in there, didn't I?
Ah!
Oh, wow.
Hello?
Hey, fool, come here. Dude.
Hey, that shit's hard. He's all stiff
I
now.
know, bro, I know.
Look at this shit, man.
Hey, fool. What's up, fool?
Come on, wake up. You're still alive, fool.
I told him, shit.
Does your dad know it died?
Yeah, fool.
What'd they say?
He's like, fuck that dog. I'm gonna take to the hospital.
That's fucked up, fool.
Why? Fool, she did 7 years. That's enough. Yeah, but she was suffering for like 2-3 hours.
Oh shit, his tongue's out, fool.
I know, dude. Hey, Greg, hey! Hey! You got a cigarette? Hey!